Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing two of the three new big boys or girls Apple just released. And of course, they are the iPhone 11 Pro in silver and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, oh that's a mouthful, in space gray or white and black if you may. Apple has opted to go for a triple camera setup, which a lot of people are loving already. Now we have the wide, the ultra wide, and of course the telephoto lens on this Pro lineup. The telephoto lens is what separates it from the regular iPhone 11, that's the smallest one. We have the A13 Bionic chip and still 4 gigs of RAM. I won't lie, I was disappointed that it's not at least 6 gigs, but it's iOS. iOS is very well optimized, so that might not be an issue. Also, Apple has gone with a new display that they're calling, I think, the Super XDR OLED. Apple, they are good with throwing names around, so yes. However, that's supposed to mean the screen is better. The difference between these two right here are, of course, this comes with a smaller display and a smaller battery, it's around 3000 mAh, and this comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and that is great to see on an iPhone. Without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go with the big boy first. And oh, the joy of ripping plastic off something new. As you can see, 256 gigs. Oh, 256 gigs. So while we are here, and right off the bat, you are greeted with the device. I think they know how much you paid for it already, so they want you to see the reason why you have no money immediately. With that new matte finish, this just looks fantastic. I love the finish on this. I don't know if the camera can catch that, but it's got the matte finish. Both of them have the matte finish, and it's just really nice to look at. So in the box, of course, we have the phones, obviously, and bringing out this, some literature here, and yes, the pin is here, and a sticker. Apple always adds stickers, so yeah, because stickers. Of course, the AirPods. This is the regular Lightning connector. AirPods, the Type-C to Lightning connector. I'm actually disappointed Apple didn't go with the Type-C port for this, but I guess they have to keep something for the iPhone 12. But yeah, what changed in this year? Inclusion of an 18-watt fast charger, and that really is nice. And this 18 watts compared to this guy that's like 5 watts or something. So now you get to charge up to 50% in just around 30 minutes, which is great, and really nice to see fast charging finally coming out of the box. We don't really need to, I don't know, do the same with this guy, because obviously everything in here is going to be exactly the same. 7 mm of the plastic. That felt good. Let's do some size comparisons. This is the iPhone 6, of course, my old iPhone 6, and this is how it compares to the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, this is how it compares to the iPhone 11 Pro. Still this is slightly bigger, but yes, and of course this also has the same form factor as the iPhone 8 and 7, the regular smaller ones, not the Plus versions of it, obviously. Now these devices are different. They are slightly different from the regular iPhones. Why? Because these are actually dual SIM iPhones, like 2 physical SIM cards, not the eSIM thing. The SIM card tray is different because this one can house 2 SIM cards, one in front and one at the back. One goes in here and one goes in here and insert. So now we have dual SIMs in an iPhone. This is perfect for me because I am thinking of using an iPhone as my daily driver for the first time ever. I'm coming from a 256 gigs OnePlus 7 Pro, which also has 2 SIM cards. And a lot of people think that dual SIM iPhones are fake or something. No, that's not the case. There are dual SIM iPhones in select markets. Anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be bringing more content on these devices, especially this one, because that's what I'll be using a lot. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.